In this video, we will be determining angle measures using the tangent ratio. In an earlier video, we determined that the tan of C was the ratio BA over CB, which according to the diagram is 6 over 8, which can be simplified to 3 over 4, or 0.75. A scientific calculator can be used to determine the measure of an acute angle when you know the value of its tangent. The inverse tan, or tan to the negative 1, are calculator operations that do this. You can see this in the button on the right, framed in red. You'll see a tan with a little negative 1, right above the tan button. In this case, the inverse tan of 0.75 is 36.869897 continuing. Rounding this, we get the inverse tan of 0.75 is around 36.9 degrees, meaning that angle C is approximately 36.9 degrees. We can also check. The tan of 36.9 degrees is 0.7508 continuing, which is approximately 0.75, so we know we did this correctly. Let's do some practice right away. For the right triangle below, determine the measures of angle N and angle L to the nearest tenth of a degree. You may wish to hit pause here and try this on your own. Here's angle N. The side opposite is 24. The side adjacent is 7. So tan of angle N is equal to the length of the side opposite angle N divided by the length of the side adjacent to angle N. We get 24 over 7. Now to find the angle, we do the inverse tan of 24 over 7 to get 73.739795 continuing. Rounding this to one decimal place, we get around 73.7 degrees. So angle N is around 73.7 degrees. We can check. If we take the tan of 73.7, we get 3.41973 continuing. 24 over 7 can be approximated as 3.42857 continuing. While these numbers are not the same, they're relatively close. Remember, rounding will lead to some discrepancies. Now let's look at angle L. Here's angle L. The side opposite is 7. The side adjacent is 24. The tan of angle L is the length of the side opposite angle L divided by the length of the side adjacent to angle L. We get 7 over 24. To find the angle, we do the inverse tan of 7 over 24 to get 16.2602047 continuing. Rounding this to one decimal place, or the nearest tenth of a degree, we get 16.3 degrees. We get angle L is approximately 16.3 degrees. What do we notice about the sum of angle N and angle L? Angle N is approximately 73.7 degrees. Angle L is approximately 16.3 degrees. If we add the two angles, angle N and angle L add up to be 90 degrees. Such angles are called complementary angles. Please proceed to the next activity in this lesson. Thank you for viewing.